In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards between lists in Trello. If your board is getting cluttered or you're simply moving a task from to do to doing, the fastest, most intuitive way is to use drag and drop. Start on the board where your lists are laid out side by side and make sure you can clearly see both the card you want to move and the list you want to move it to. If the board has a lot of lists, you may need to scroll horizontally or zoom out a bit so everything you need is in view. Find the card you want to move. Position your cursor anywhere on that card. Avoid small icons like checkboxes to prevent accidental clicks. Then click and hold. You'll notice the card visually lifts from the list, which is your signal that it's ready to move. While still holding the mouse button, drag the card toward the target list. Move steadily so you can track where it's going, and don't worry if there are many cards in the destination list. Trello will make space as you hover. As you pass over other lists, you'll see a visual indicator showing where the card will land. When you're over the correct list, slide the card up or down within that list to choose the exact position. Look for the placeholder line or spacing that appears between cards. That's your drop spot. Release the mouse button to drop the card. The card will snap into place and you've successfully moved it. If the list you need is off screen, keep holding the card and use your trackpad or scroll bar to pan across the board. Take your time. The card will stay attached to your cursor as you navigate. On a touchscreen, tap and hold the card for a moment until it lifts. Then drag it to the target list and release your finger to drop. A couple of quick troubleshooting tips. If the card opens instead of moving, you likely clicked without dragging. Just close the card, then click, hold, and move it right away. If you can't drag at all, you might be on a read-only board or lack edit permissions. Check with the board admin. And if you accidentally drop it in the wrong place, simply drag it again to the correct list or reposition it within the list. That's all there is to it. Click and hold the card, drag it to the desired list, and release. With a little practice, you'll reorganize your Trello board in seconds and keep your workflow moving smoothly.